So what we like to do is to give the chickens a rest. And by that I mean we turn our timer down to about 7-8 hours of light. The egg count today is 9. You can tell if an egg's frozen because it'll crack, even though the membrane sometimes inside is not broke, the shell's broke. At which point I toss them. The winter time is when we give the chickens a rest. We rest our chickens. By that I mean we have our lights on a timer, and usually most of the year it's around 18 hours sunlight or more, because we know that the sunlight gets them up, gets them laying eggs. So what we like to do is to give the chickens a rest. And by that I mean we turn our timer down to about 7-8 hours of light. You don't want to force them with lots of light to lay lots of eggs 365 days a year. That would put a lot on your chickens, and that's probably why our chickens are pretty hot. Well, hello there, Cody. How are you today, buddy? So we give them a rest period through winter for like a couple months. And we have our lights down, so it just comes in before I go to work in the morning. So I come in about, I don't know, 6:15, 6:30 in the morning. I'm here. And I can walk through the barn and see the timer light come on because it's plugged in the barn, the actual barn. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if the lights went out while I was sitting here talking to you because it's around 6. I think the lights are set for 6:30. So they go off. Probably 12 hours light, 12 hours darkness. They will molt usually during this time. They will lay less eggs because there's less daylight. But it keeps the chickens healthy. They just concentrate on their eating and keeping warm, which they do pretty good. Don't you, chickens? You got something to say? You got something to say? Well, hello, little puffies. What are you puffy cheeks doing? The little puffy chicks, always sitting at the same spots, right? Always sitting at the same spots. Little puffy. What are you guys up to? Puffy, what are you doing, buddy? Looks pretty round. All these chickens, they're happy. They got their little meal. They got the grower pellets here. We went over the grower pellets. We're giving them a little extra protein. Not so much the layer pellets that would give them a lot of stuff to lay, because we're not technically wanting them to lay a lot of eggs in the winter. Come spring, they'll be all ready and hearty. Those light hours go back up and they will be all ready. Our count goes, it's usually between 6 to 8 eggs a day. And I'm happy with that. You still get like a half dozen anyways per day. And it gives these chickens time to almost hibernate without going to sleep, right? They get their rest, they get to sleep longer, their body gets to chill, and they're not worried about constantly producing eggs out there. So yeah, if you got chickens, may I suggest giving your chickens a rest. When it gets wintry time, they will love you for it. To lay you some good hearty eggs, and lots of them, when springtime comes around. We would rather have our chickens get a little rest so they can be a little healthier. So, there's that. Got me an egg carton. Like I said, we're usually around 6 to 8 eggs nowadays. Are you guys fighting in there? Don't be fighting in there. Not nice to be fighting. Can't y'all just get along? So anyways, yeah, here we go. We're going to do a little bit of an egg count while we're here. Whoop! Look at that. We've got 2 brown ones. And actually, they're kind of warm. They're not even, not frozen or anything. I actually came in here yesterday. And you can tell if an egg's frozen because it'll crack, even though the membrane sometimes inside is not broke. The shell's broke. At which point, I toss them. I don't want to keep those eggs. Let's continue with this egg count. We got 4. We got 4. Is there any in here? No, there isn't. Is there any in there? No, there isn't. Is there any in there? No, there isn't. Any beside there? No. I really got to do a cleanup. Time for old chicken daddy to do a cleanup in here, eh, chickens? Boom. There we go. 2 more brown ones. Nice color eggs. And 3 more of these. Are they all blue? Yep, they're all blue. They almost look white here, but if you were here, you would see that they are blue. So there's a blue, there's a blue, and there's a blue. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. The egg count today is 9. So remember, do you want lots of eggs in the spring? Do you want healthy chickens that last all winter long? Less stress? Give your chickens a rest. Chicken soup with Grumbles.